Hello friends, welcome in Pavan Satoshi YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about over wallet. So friend, here I have done some palm sticking. तो दोस्तों हम बात करेंगे ओवर वॉलेट के रिगार्डिंग. हमने यहाँ पे कुछ पाम स्टिकिंग करी थी. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आस्क मी दे आर फेसिंग दैट हाउ टू वी कैन विड्रॉल इट. सो दे हैव गिवन अस सम 21 डेज लॉकअप टाइम. यहाँ पे इन्होंने 21 दिन का कुछ लॉकअप पीरियड दिया था. आई थिंक दे हैव ऑल्सो चेंज द क्राइटेरिया. नाउ आई थिंक आफ्टर 3 days यू कैन ऑल्सो विड्रॉल इट. तो अब इन्होंने कुछ क्राइटेरिया चेंज कर दिया. सो यू हैव टू अपडेट योर ऐप फ्रॉम द प्ले स्टोर. आपको क्या करना है, सबसे पहले प्ले स्टोर से अपना ऐप अपडेट करना है. सो नाउ यू कैन सी हियर, यू कैन सी दैट विड्रॉल ऑप्शन इज अवेलेबल हियर, राइट. सो फ्रेंड, you can see that my 1555 withdrawal, it is already succeed. Now I can withdraw. Okay, complete withdrawal after waiting 3 days, complete withdrawing your token. So that's mean 21 days plus 3 24 days के बाद यहाँ पे withdrawal हो जाएगा. So let me click on withdrawal now. So complete withdrawal, so we have to wait. So now you can see estimated fees has been shown. जब ये दिखाए, so when it show you, then you have to slide to confirm. तो we have to wait and now I will slide to confirm. इसको अभी हम confirm कर देंगे. जब आपका यहाँ estimated fees दिखाए, बार बार आएगा जाएगा, परेशान नहीं होना है. So you can see that request is submitted. Request is submitted friend, and you can see that ये process is going on, and you can see transaction is completed. Transaction complete हो गया. Now I will go back. So now you can see my entire fund. So now I will withdraw it in exchange, right. आप इसको exchange पे भेजेंगे. So friend, you can see that on these exchange we can withdraw it. इन exchange पे हम withdrawal कर सकते हैं, right. Gate.io, MEXC or anything. So friend, I will take withdrawal in MEXC. So I will open my MEXC. So friend, we have to click on wallet. Then we have to click on deposit. Then we have to click deposit crypto. And we have to find here over. So I have checked, and now I will copy my address and I will open here and I will send it here. तो दोस्तों इस तरीके से आप इसको अपने exchange पे भेज सकते हैं. So you can see 1616. So I will send 1616 and ensure that you keep some gas fee. यहाँ पे gas fee ज़रूर छोड़ देना थोड़ी. So I will try to send it. So now I will slide to confirm. जब आपको यहाँ एस्टिमेटेड गैस फी दिखाए तो आप यहाँ पे इसको कर सकते हैं फ्रेंड. So you can see request submitted and processing is going on. तो रिक्वेस्ट भेज दिया दोस्तों, अभी ये प्रोसेसिंग हो रहा है. So we have to wait. So friend, transaction is already completed. Transaction यहाँ पे complete हो चुका है. So friend, we have to wait here. So I think after some time this fund will show here. So दोस्तों यहाँ पे कुछ टाइम के बाद आपको यहाँ पे फंड दिखाएगा. So we have to wait. So from most important thing friend, you have to generate your if you are using MEXC, you have to generate your wallet address. Because it took me I think more than 10 minutes. 10 मिनट से ज़्यादा टाइम लगा दोस्तों, यहाँ आया नहीं. So then what I did, I generated it. I verified my wallet. So you have to click here. This is very important part. So whenever you're trying first time to withdraw, what you have to do, you have to verify. And after verifying it, you can see that immediately I received a email, 8:20 I have verified my wallet. तो दोस्तों वेरीफाई करना ज़रूरी है एंड इसको क्रॉस चेक करना ज़रूरी है. इट शुड मैच विद योर दिस वॉलेट. for safety reason, because most of the time what is happening, whenever someone is trying to deposit in this address and it automatically get changed. तो दोस्तों कई बार क्या हो रहा है, एक्सचेंजों पे आपका डिपॉजिट एड्रेस आप भेज रहे हो मगर वो कहीं और चला जा रहा है. So that's why they have created this safety feature to verify now. And so what you have to verify, you have to check that your both account is same. ओके, तो ये दोनों अकाउंट आपको पहले वेरीफाई करना है, देन यू हैव टू ट्राई टू सेंड इट. सो you can see now I have received after verifying my account immediately. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So tell me that if you have received your over wallet, so you can comment me. And thank you so much. Take care. Bye.